initial condition of the chapter 3 air, and continuously again from last period 2 we go to the new point air pollution. Air pollution means the presence of suspended particles and unwanted gases in such an amount that their presence is harmful to man and the other living organism. Means this air pollution is harmful to man and other living organism. Some main cause of air pollution are as follow. Air pollution followed by vehicles. Use of vehicles has increased the day by day. Car, buses and trucks and auto rickshaw runs off by the petrol or diesel. And burning of this large amount of carbon monoxide and oxide of nitrogen, lead are liberated into the atmosphere. Due to the liberation of these gases, there is a atmospheric air pollution produces. These gases seriously injure human health and vegetation and the other objects. Due to this, increase the air pollution. Number second condition for air pollution is industrialization. The air polluted solid particles coming out from the steel industry, cement factory and fertilizer industry have harmful effect not only on the human being's health but also on the living beings, vegetation and the buildings, which is increased by the air pollution. Another topic based on air pollution, measure up to control the air pollution. How air pollution controlled by us? So there are following type of the points are given for the air pollution control by us. Change the method of manufacture such that less quality of polluted material liberated. We can use the less polluted material quantity be used. Another topic for energy production, less polluting method is used as solar energy and wind energy must be used. Other number, check the vehicles for air pollutant measurement. Number 4, plant more trees. They are lungs of nature. And number 5, adopt habits which encourage controlled by the pollution. And number 6, avoid the smoking and encourage the habitat avoid the smokes. And number 7, use the petrol and diesel according to your needs. Not more petrol and not more diesel can be used by yourself. Due to this, we can control the air pollution in the atmosphere. Greenhouse effect. Usually, Earth absorbs the sun rays. And acquires the needed heat energy. Out of this, most of the light reflect back, in which some infrared rays are present. Some gases of the atmosphere absorb these infrared ray and stop going out of Earth, due to which the Earth's surface remains hot. Carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO, and methane CH4, ozone O3, and chlorofluorocarbon are some gases which absorb infrareds are known as greenhouse gases. Stopping the infrared rays by these gases is known as greenhouse effect. Stopping the infrared rays by these gases means infrared gases. This is known as greenhouse effect. Other next stage, next article is acid rain. Acid rain in the atmosphere due to different causes of sulfur and nitrogen oxide are formed. In addition, when it rains, this oxide mixed with the rainwater and make it more acidic. This is called acid rain. Generally, acid rain is generally nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid are the presence of the acid rains. SO2 sulfur dioxide adding with the H2O of the rainwater, this H2SO3 acid, sulfuric acid. Sulfur dioxide NH2O and oxygen of atmosphere on adding with H2SO4 sulfuric acid. 2NO plus H2O adding this get nitric acid and nitrous acid. So due to this are the all quantity of acids are increases in the rainwater, so therefore it is called acid rains. Effect of acid rains. Due to acid rain, plant leaves turns yellow and fall off. Acid rain harms soil, water, resources and forest and human health. Acid rain pollute water resources. Acid rain corrode the buildings, statues especially made of stone and marble. Atmospheric pressure. The pressure applied by the atmosphere around us is called atmospheric pressure. It is measured by an instrument barometer which is made by Torricelli in 1643. The value of atmospheric pressure is 1.013 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square or Pascal, and 76 mm was column of mercury of mercury. According to this measurement, we can measure the atmospheric pressure.